Hi friends, it's time for small group. And today in small group, we're going to work on print concepts, which means we are going to practice all of our print concepts like which way do we read, the direction, um, noticing a space, noticing big words and little words. So we are going to start by writing. So you won't see Miss Charles's face a lot in this video. It will be more so focused on the chart that we have here. So I'm going to turn my camera around and we are going to start writing. We're writing sentences about what we know about balls. We are learning about balls, and as we go along, we will add more and more sentences to our writing, okay? So, Miss Charles is going to turn her camera around so that you can see the chart. So, our title is We Know About Balls. Do we know about balls? Yes, and we are learning more and more about it every day. So we're getting ready to write about balls. One thing that we've learned is that balls are different sizes, right? So I'm going to write, we know that balls are small. Are some balls small? Yes. We know that balls can be small. We know balls can be small. So here we go. Here's my sentence. We I'm going to start here, and I'm going to make a lowercase e, W-E, and I need my space. We know, lowercase k, N-O-W, balls, B-A-L-L-S, can, C-A-N, B, which is B-E, and then I'm going to write the word small, S-M-A-L-L. And my sentence is done, so I'm going to put a period there, okay? So I'm going to read our sentence. Friends, which way do we read? We read from left to right. You are absolutely right. Um, and where should I start reading my sentence? Can you point on the screen where Miss Shaw should start reading? You're right, friends. We start reading here at the W. We. And so I'm going to point to some spaces in between my words. So here's a space, here's a space, here's a space, and here's a space, and there's a space. Friends, do you see any big words in our sentence? Me too, friends. I see the word small. The word small is actually a big word because it has more than three letters. A small word we know has either one, two, or three letters. Do you see a small word? Yes, I do too. The word we, it only has two letters. Look, one, two. I see another small word. Can, one, two, three letters. And I see the word be, B-E. It only has two letters. Those are small words, okay? Now we are going to read our sentences and we're going to touch each word as we read. But first, I'm going to show you where it says we know balls can be small. So look, this is where it says we know balls can be small. All of that sentence says we know balls can be small. And I also see some letters because we know that you have to put words together to make letters. So I see the letter W, I see the letter A, I see a letter N, I see a letter E. I know all of these letters. Can you name all of the letters here? And I see some vowels. We know that A, E, I, O, and U are vowels. So I see an E, an O, an A, another A, an E, and another A. How many A's do you see in this sentence? Let's count. One, two, three. This sentence has three A's. Wow, that's a lot of A's. we're going to read our sentence. Get your pointer finger ready, and let's read our sentence by touching each word. Okay? We know balls can be small. Friends, what else do we know about balls? When Miss Charles calls you today, I want you to tell me what else we know about balls, and Miss Charles will write it on the chart. All right? All right, friends, I'll talk to you soon.